Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing well. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. As it was rightly said, gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. Sharing it is the first step to humanity. And education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. So, here we upload amazing and interesting facts related to technology, psychology, food, animal sports, horror, and many other updated facts. Enjoy the facts, also share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get timely notifications. Keep supporting. Playing dance music can help ward off mosquitoes. Guys, please help me reach 1000 subscribers. The Redhead Festival in Dublin, Ireland, an annual gathering for redheads. The world's biggest tire producer is Lego. Scorpions can hold their breath for up to 6 days. 40% of births in USA comes from unmarried women. North Korea and Cuba are the only places you can't buy Coca-Cola. Cats can taste sweet things because of a genetic defect. The hottest chili pepper in the world is so hot that it could kill you. Dreamt is the only word in the English language that ends with MT. In Japan, Burger King has an all-black burger. Like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different. The opposite sides of a die will always add up to 7. A cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. Sharks are the only animals that never get sick. They are even immune to every known disease, including cancer. Wearing headphones for just an hour will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. Kids grow fastest in the summer. Drinking black tea can prevent lung damage from smoking. These are the satellites currently in orbit. Reds are active, whites are inactive. Snails' teeth are the strongest natural material on Earth. Dubai breaks Guinness World Record for the largest fountain. Butterflies taste with their feet. Carbon monoxide can kill a person in less than 15 minutes. Your mind can sense someone staring at you when you are asleep. Over 1 lakh people have applied for one-way trip to colonize Mars in 2022. Dolphins have been trained to be used in wars. The inventor of a Rubik's Cube couldn't solve his own puzzle for a month. Squirrels can climb trees faster than they can run on the ground. In 2 billion years, it will be too hot for life to exist on Earth. In the last 4,000 years, no new animals have been domesticated. 97% of planet's liquid fresh water is stored in aquifers. It is impossible to lick your elbow. Supermarket apples can be a year old. The record for the first selfie in space goes to Buzz Aldrin in 1966. Residents in Toraja, Indonesia take their dead loved ones out of the grave once every year. In Belgium, bricks are used as blankets. We spend billions of dollars to find life on other planets and trillions of dollars killing the life. Sharks kill an average of 12 people per year. Women blink nearly twice as much as men. The world's most densely populated island is Mizingo Island in Lake Victoria, Africa. It would only take 1 hour to drive to space. Music is one of the few activities in life that utilizes the entire brain. There's a diamond floating in a galaxy that is bigger than Earth. There are 2 credit cards for every person in the United States. The universe contains more planets than seconds that have passed since the Big Bang. The organic compounds found in wine kills 99.9% of germs that cause sore throat. There's no sound in space. Yes, if you shout, nobody's gonna hear you. Nerve fiber length in human brain is about 8,50,000 km. Dog sense of smell is about 1 lakh times stronger than humans. Masole is a village in Iran where the streets are above the houses. In Denmark, it is illegal to burn foreign flags, but not illegal to burn the Danish flag. Someone tried to sell New Zealand on eBay. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect themselves from the blowing desert sand. If you brush your teeth by using the other hand, then you force your brain to work differently. All polar bears are left-handed. Thanks for watching. For more such amazing facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel.